Indigenous people of Biafra has alleged that the Northern Army is shading murderous Fulani herders killing innocent Nigerians in the southeast. The IPOB asked why the military and the other security agents have not arrested or hunted down the criminals that murdered people in Enugu and Ebonyi states, saying they were quick to deploy men and equipment to look for Eastern Security Network operatives in Olo, Imo State, a few weeks ago. Emma Powerful, the IPOB Media and Publicity Secretary, said this in a press release made available to Sahara reporters on Thursday. The IPOB spokesperson was reacting to the separate attacks that occurred in Ebonyi, Enugu, Imo, and Anambra states recently, where unidentified gunmen killed people and burnt houses. It is now obvious that the Nigerian military and other security agencies are providing cover for Fulani herdsmen on the killing spell in Southeast and South-South. With the recent massacre of the innocent Biafrans in Enugu and Ebonyi State by these blood-sucking vampires, nobody is still left in doubt that the security agencies have been giving them tactics support. The inability of the double-faced Nigerian security agencies to arrest or go after these killers days after the genocidal attacks is a confirmation of our position that the Nigerian security agencies, despite their pretense, provide cover for terrorists disguising as Fulani herders in southern Nigeria. Where are the military headquarters gunboats that were Buddhising over Olo airspace in search of ESN operatives in February? Where are the heavily armed soldiers that massacred unnamed Biafran agitators in morning exercise at Eminem? Where are the wicked DSS, Department of State Services, operatives daily hunting and adopting IPOB members and Biafra agitators? Just yesterday, the DSS adopted Elizabeth Uzoma Onyeka, an IPOB member in Anambra North Senatorial Zone. Armed DSS personnel invaded their home between 2 a.m. and 2:30 a.m. and took her away. Until now, they have kept her. Nobody knows where she is. Secret adoptions of IPOB members have continued unabated. The statement further condemned the Nigerian army for not making a single arrest in the killings in both states. It also chided political leaders from the southeast for remaining powerless in defending the defenseless citizens in the region. However, the IPOB vowed that its security wing ESN will avenge the death of the people murdered by the alleged Fulani herders in the region. It said these terrorists in security uniform are zealously arresting unarmed and peaceful agitators, but too weak and unwilling to touch their fellow terrorists, smoking lives out of innocent indigenous Nigerians. Why can't Nigerian Fulani terrorists in military uniform trace those that attacked 4 villages in Ebonyi and the Enugu states? But we assured them that this genocide will not go unpunished. Our gallant ESN personnel will respond to this. We are prepared for them. We knew a time like this will come. And that was why our proactive leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, floated ESN ahead of time to defend Biafrans against these bloodsuckers. Again, we vow that ESN will avenge the blood of the innocent Biafrans spit by these demons from the Sahel. But woe betide any hypocrite in DSS, police, or military uniform that will rise to their defense when ESN pays back in their own coin. Where are the Southeast and South-South governors and their 2023 madness now? that their citizens are slaughtered like fowls? Where is the weeping governor Ifeanyi? That is a Enugu State. Okay, sorry, let me take it again. Where is the weeping governors of the Enugu State as rice farmers in Adane have become games for Fulani herdsmen? Where is Ohanaeze Ndigbo and their leadership, Prof. George Obiozor and co? Where is the Supreme Court Administrator of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma? Where is Joe Ibukwe, now Lagos State gutter cleaner, that his kinsmen are slaughtered less honorably than cows? Where are Orji Uzor Kalu, the Ruga master, and his Ruga project in the southeast, and other saboteurs and other traitors in southeast? Mountain One Nigeria and the 2023 presidency of Igbo extraction. Where are all of these efulefus saboteuring the quest for Biafra restoration? Why hide like cowards? Time to prove your historism. Time to prove your heroism has come. The die is cast. That dark moment that our leaders saw many years ago has finally drawn. Those who want ESN outlawed should provide an alternative now that the killers are on the prowl. Alright. Someone said, yeah, what happens to the so-called governors who, knowing the deadly and the nature of the Fulanis, choose to harbor them at the expense of our lives? Ebonyi Governor Dave Umahi have been speaking grammar over this carnage against his own people. He claimed to know them, including their identities, so he should produce them to face trial. IPOB and ESN stand with you. Finish them all. Sparing or forgiving them will be a big sin to God and the innocent life they have wasted. No mercy for terrorists. So hello guys, I'm going to drop it here. Let's hear from you. Kindly hit the comment section and don't forget to give us thumbs up. Also click on the notification button for more updates. Thank you very much. Bye for now.